broke my hand, and now there's a titanium rod inside my hand with 6 screws. I probably clicked on the video because of the title, the best souvenirs in Bali. I'm not gonna help you with that. I'll just show you my souvenirs and chit chat along since I am ready and since I'm acting all nonchalant. So let me start with this. I went to 32 Do in Seminyak. It's a very, very pretty place, and I bought this Jeju matcha milk tea. I haven't tried it, but achhi hogi because 32 Do is very good. It was very good, very peaceful. Next we have this, the Luwak coffee. It's nice. I haven't tried it, but it's something that is made from cat's poo, if you don't know. I got these from the airport, and I'm being too quick, but I don't care. I got these from the airport, and then we bought this from Baka Coffee. That's what we call it, Baka Coffee. Not so great. I just had one of those and I did not like it. I did not like it. And then we bought this for a friend as a souvenir. This for my papa. This for my papa. No, this is for a friend. And a few more things. I bought some fridge magnets and everything. But yeah, these are the things that I bought. I wasted a lot of money, and the best thing that I got from this trip was broke my hand, and now there's a titanium rod inside my hand with 6 screws. It was bad. I think it was one of the best and the worst experience I could have. I think it was, everybody knew I was going to Bali. I think anyone in the 2 kilometer radius of me knew that I'm going to Bali, and I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna spend my birthday there, this, that, and yes, I had fun. I had the time of my life, and I'm gonna go back again. It's such a beautiful place. You know, it's gonna make you feel different feelings. But if I be honest, I did not like Gility at all. I think I have to give it another chance. I did not like Gility at all. I think the vibe was just, it made me feel dark. I can't explain, but it made me feel dark. And yeah, so this accident that happened to me on 5th of May, and I planned on staying longer because I thought, yeah, this is the time of my life. Let me just stay a bit longer, see things. But then this accident happened, and we thought, oh, let me just go back on the planned date, that was 11. On 5th of May, we went to Ubud. From 3rd to 5th, we were in Uluwatu, and then we went to Ubud from 5th to 7th. 3 people, me, a friend, Tanu, and Shalu. So now we were on the road to Ubud, and my kind of trip is relaxing, not hustling too much. But Tanu की trip is completely different. उसको उठ के बस वो शहर नापना होता है. She just has to, मतलब उठ के नापो, and then what happens is she comes back from the trip and then she goes dead. She's exhausted. I had to go with the flow. And then Ubud में we landed and she booked an ATV ride, जो कि मैं बोल रही थी कि मैं यार कल भी तो कर सकती. But then we went ahead with it, और मैंने बोला कि मैं अपना फ़ोन तो नहीं दूँगी. मेरा फ़ोन अगर ख़राब हो गया तो my dad keeps calling me. He's like homeopathic medicine. I'm sorry, I'm making too much noise. Let me eat. I'm back. I had another 2 of those toffees from Baka Coffee. Not worth your $33. I paid like close to $11 for each. Don't buy it. Okay, so continuing. 5th we reached and we booked the ATV ride. I was a little hesitant on going, but I still did, and I'm glad I did. And we did the entire lap. There had been no issues in the entire lap, and suddenly जब हम लोग वापस ही जा रहे थे, दिस वॉज द लास्ट लैप दैट वी वेंट अगेन इन साइड द गुफा, और मैंने अपनी बाइक को बहुत तेज़ दौड़ा दिया एंड देन हिट द रॉक एंड आई फेल ऑफ द एटीवी बाइक. मैं वो वाले रॉक से लड़ी और मेरा हाथ पूरा झूल गया था. इफ़ यू वॉच्ड हैरी पॉटर एंड द चेंबर ऑफ सीक्रेट्स, जिसमें हैरी का क्विडिच में हाथ ऐसे उल्टा हो जाता है, द सेम थिंग हैपेंड. एंड मैं एटीवी राइड से नीचे गिरी हूँ एंड आई वाज लुकिंग एट माय फ्रेंड्स तनु एंड चालू. आई वाज लाइक, come and pick me, it's been 10 minutes, come and pick me. And it hadn't been that long, it had just been like 5 or 10 seconds. In my mind time was so slow, तो मैं खुद ही उठ गई. And then पीछे the instructor came. So yeah, now the issue is the instructor came to me and he was like, get up, you're fine. I'm like, I'm not fine, it's broken. No, not broken, just get up, go into. And I was like, why broken, just check. सोचना फिर था. I said, oh okay, सोचना अपनी walkie talkie पे कुछ बोला. And then तनु came, तनु said कि just a hairline fracture, nothing's gonna happen. वो मुझे समझा रही थी, but मैंने उसको देखा, फिर मैंने बोला टूटा है भाई. We went to the hospital. I believe on the way I was just passing out because of the pain. और मैं इतना नहीं, आई थिंक आई हैव अ प्रीटी गुड पेन टॉलरेंस. इट कैन बी अ गुड थिंग और अ बैड थिंग, आई डोंट केयर. उतना ज़्यादा नहीं चिल्ला रही थी. तो जब हम लोग वी वर ऑन द वे टू द हॉस्पिटल, शालू वाज सेइंग टू मी, भाई आप फालतू डर रहे हो, कुछ नहीं होगा, इट्स जस्ट अ हेयरलाइन फ्रैक्चर. एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग एट हर लाइक, ओके अगर आपको फ्रैक्चर, अगर आपकी बोन टूटी होती ना तो आप इतना चिल्ला रहे होते कि कुछ हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाते. ये ओके. देन वी रीच्ड द हॉस्पिटल. वहाँ पे आफ्टर सम आवर्स हम लोगों का मेरा एक्सरे हुआ. एंड दैट वाज द ओनली टाइम दैट आई फेल्ट द पेन, बिकॉज आई थिंक आप में इतना एड्रेनलिन रश होता है. फ्रॉम दैट टाइम कमिंग टू द हॉस्पिटल, सब कुछ हो गया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो गई. एंड देन आई एम इन अ फॉरेन लैंड, आई एम गेटिंग एक्सपोज्ड टू ऑल ऑफ दीज फीलिंग्स एंड आई कुड नॉट मैनेज दैम. तो मैं नंब हो गई थी. देन व्हेन दे टुक मी टू द एक्सरे एंड दे स्ट्रेटन माई हैंड, आई जस्ट सडनली I felt all the pain. एंड मुझे उस दर्द से आंसू निकलने लगे. अभी भी मुझे, when I think about it, I just feel the same pain inside my bones. It's like your body, every time you think about that same situation that has happened to you, it brings out the same reaction from your body. जैसे आपके साथ वो event दोबारा हो रहा है. तो even the video was recorded. I don't know how the video got recorded. उस video में I have seen myself falling and I've only seen it once. I have been so scared. I think थोड़ा मुझे PTSD तो हो गया है, but I have a therapist who can fix that. Not fix, because my therapist says I will not fix anything, Soumya. It's only you who can fix all of the things. So I get it. So yes, so this happened and I felt all of the pain. Then they told me that, oh, it's the entire bone is broken. Entire bone was broken and it needed major surgery. मैंने घर पे बताया नहीं था because I thought मैं घर पे बताऊंगी when the situation seems, जब मेरी सर्जरी हो जाए उसके बाद मैं सब कुछ बता दूंगी. I would come clean to them because considering how my dad is, he keeps calling me every 2 hours. I think उनका BP ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है अगर वो मुझे कॉल नहीं करते हैं 2 घंटे में. तो मैंने सोचा that I would eventually tell them that my hand is broken, and it was like a bittersweet moment because I think I planned my entire vacation. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go there, and suddenly things happen and you're like, what the hell, what should I do? What do I do? But I thought that it's such a beautiful thing to be experiencing all of this. My therapist, जब मैं ट्रिप के लिए जा रही थी, then she told me, she messaged me, experience a lot. And I think I've always learned, you don't label things good or bad. It's just part of the experience. And I think it brought me a lot of that peace, that if things are happening to you, it's just let them be. It's the beauty of it. Just let things happen. When you see yourself from the lens of the observer, you don't get as angry. And the same was happening to me. And then the next morning 6 बजे मेरी सर्जरी हुई. I was in surgery for 3 hours. टाइटेनियम प्लेट लग चुका था मेरे हाथ पे. I felt a little bit numb and I remember Tanya was already there when I woke up. And they had come on a trip too. I was realizing, oh God, why? But they were trying to make the best out of it. And I think your company, the people who you choose to be with, should be like this. मैं बहुत irritated हो रही थी. I was like, I need to go home. But they took me everywhere. They took me to Giliti, they took me to Seminyak. I loved Seminyak's vibe. I also sang in one of the clubs that I don't know, it's a retro kind of thing. We sang Rolling in the Deep there. And I went with them to Giliti, and Giliti had a whole different vibe. There were people who were partying and who were just enjoying life, and I couldn't enjoy it that time. Maybe because of my broken hand, because 2 days after the surgery I was in the hospital, and then we went to Giliti, and I did have fun, but not so much fun. I don't think if I want to go back again. And the one thing that hit me at that time was, during all of this, when I'm in a foreign land, I have to worry about all of the stuff. My friends are handling it all. I just have to stay in the hospital and take care of myself. When we paid the bill, you know how much the bill of these things are? It was close to 6.5 lakhs. उन्हें thankfully travel insurance किया था. Thank you, Tanu. Thank you so much. We did a travel insurance from a company जिसका मैं अभी नाम नहीं लूँगी. मैं तभी नाम लूँगी जब मेरा पैसा settle हो जाएगा. So once the 6.5 lakhs is settled, then I'm going to name the company that the settlement rate is actually good. But abhi it costed us 6.5 lakhs, and that made me so grateful. You know, there are so many good things that can be taken out of this injury. I would definitely want to go back to Bali. Balinese people are so kind, especially when during a stay in Seminyak, there's this hotel called Rama Residence. They were so nice people. Do you need anything? If you want anything, you call us on 0. I'll be there. It was so good. I loved staying there. I would definitely want to go there, because we had to just cut our day in Seminyak 1 day less, क्योंकि हम लोगों का flight 11th को था, so we had to come back. But I would want to go back. So these were the things that I got from Bali, and the best thing that I could get from Bali. And I'm looking forward to many such trips, because if I get so much exposure in so little days, I'll be a better human being. But also saying that during this entire situation that happened to me, I was in there with myself, and everything that I did to control my thoughts, to control my mind, I owe it all to meditation. I mean, everybody says meditation can do wonders, but it can do wonders. Meditation and therapy. Because अगर मुझे ऐसे सिचुएशन में डाला जा रहा है where I cannot do anything, I'm helpless. If I try to walk with a broken bone, मैं नहीं चल पाऊंगी. उस सिचुएशन में भी काम हो सकती हूँ. So I think I can do anything in the world, and meditation has helped me. I think everyone should try meditating at least once. I mean, give that thing a chance. Please, please. You're going to be coming out as a different human being altogether, and you're going to appreciate your life more. So if you cannot travel, if you cannot leave your place, it could be because of hundreds of reasons. You can just try going in, try exploring the consciousness, try meditating, try manifesting the life that you've always wanted, and try to understand yourself more. You will be in a state of bliss. You will be getting the kind of peace in your heart like you've never felt that before. I have definitely had wonderful experiences through meditation, and one of the YouTube channels that I would recommend is The Honest Guys. You know, anytime I pick up one of their videos, I go in a different world altogether, and I want everyone to experience that. And also I would definitely be posting more on YouTube, because abhi to mere andar thoda sa wo josh hai after the trip that I want to share all my experiences, and I want to meet new people who share the same experiences. I love hearing stories. I love hearing people's stories, and I think I also have so many stories to tell that one of you would like it, one of you would connect, and one of you would try to create the same for yourself. Because at the end of the day, when you see these videos 4 5 years later, they're all going to sum up into what a beautiful life. And I just love that. I just love that about being alive and being able to share these emotions with everyone. And thank you for watching. That's that. And if you liked my yapping videos, please let me know. I want to make more. My personal movie. Whenever I feel down, I'm gonna watch it and feel good about myself. That's for sure. And I'll meet you on next time. And if you liked it, let me know. Let me know. And please, algorithm, YouTube key algorithm. I want this video to reach women. Women. I only want this video to reach women. I want to have a good story time with them. And I think I need to build a community now. I want more friends.